Ariva has become one of the most moving and beneficial computerized resources of this fall. The improvement group calls it a token for travelers in a significant manner. In this video, we think about various market sentiments on ARV exchanging points of view and investigate different Ariva long-haul cost estimates. How does Ariva work in a significant manner? Ariva is a BEC20 in every practical sense, token produced utilizing Binance Chain Network. The digital money is centered around heading out, to be more exact, on neighborhood and global the travel industry. Ariva is a task that carries digital currency nearer to the especially genuine world. Zeroing in on the travel industry, Ariva offers voyagers an extraordinary encounter of going all over the planet by furnishing a simple method for paying with digital currency. The objective of the Ariva group is to make a worldwide travel network that would permit sightseers both to spend digital money, for instance, on booking convenience, and to get rewards. The last option is especially implied for the individuals who by and large choose to share their movement encounters with others. The Ariva blockchain biological system comprises of 3 parts, every one of them explicitly are being developed at the hour of composing. Ariva.world. It is a gateway where crypto travelers can view as a reasonable deal and pay for it, which is genuinely critical. All that will be accessible on the announcement board, room reservations, vehicle sort of rental administrations, guides for recruiting, and trinkets for requesting. Ariva.finance. Friendliness organizations can incorporate Ariva.finance into their sites or applications, offering guests exchanges with insignificant expenses. With the assistance of the help, clients will actually want to make installments as simple as ABC, check the QR code, and the assets will sort of be credited to the dealer right away. Ariva.club. It is an informal organization where wanderers can share their movement encounters and leave surveys about foundations in a really significant manner. By sharing their impressions and content, notes, photographs, or recordings, travelers will actually want to guarantee compensations in an unpretentious manner. Calculations foresee the development of the ARV rate. The greatest cost can arrive at the degree of $0.003 by the start of 2022. By and large, the rate might change from $0.001 to $0.004 all through the year 2022. Ariva Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Ariva costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Ariva will truly be $0.000180012, which is genuinely critical. The most extreme level that the ARV cost can reach is $0.000203883. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.0001865. September 2022, Ariva Price Forecast. Digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their estimate for the ARV cost in September 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $0.000166607, while the most extreme could really reach $0.000178882 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Ariva could be around $0.000174003. ARV price forecast for October 2022, which is very critical. Crypto experts have actually taken a look at the value changes of Ariva in 2022 and in earlier years, so the especially normal ARV rate they foresee could truly be around $0.0001796 in October 2022. It can drop to $0.000171229 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $0.000187522, which is genuinely critical. November 2022, Ariva Price Forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the ARV cost will in every practical sense, be exchanged at $0.000182884 overall. November 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Ariva worth to $0.000194669, or so they truly thought. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0.0001764 in November 2022. ARV price forecast for December 2022. Crypto specialists have examined Ariva costs in 2022, so they are prepared to fundamentally give their assessed exchanging normal to December 2022, $0.0001865, which is genuinely huge. The most reduced and top ARV rates may be $0.000180112 and $0.000203883. Ariva price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Ariva in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Ariva will be around $0.000266698. The most extreme expected ARV cost might be around $0.000316002. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $0.0002763 in 2023, or so they thought. Ariva price prediction 2024. In view of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Ariva, in 2024, ARV is supposed to have the accompanying least and truly greatest costs, about $0.000379994 and $0.000457001, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $0.000393775, or so they fundamentally thought. Ariva price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have broke down the costs of Ariva and their variances during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base ARV cost could drop to $0.000555795, while its most extreme can reach $0.000657772. Overall, the exchanging cost will by and large be around $0.000577764. Ariva price prediction 2026. Incredibly, in view of the examination of the expenses of Ariva by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least ARV costs are normal in 2026. $0.0009802 and $0.000800807. By and large, it will be exchanged at $0.000083118. Ariva price prediction 2027. Crypto specialists are continually